entrance of the Great Wall, the Great Chinese Wall we're going to visit today. We took a taxi of 1.5 hours and we're now here at the Mutianyu entrance of the Great Wall. So let's go! Right now we are on our way to the Great Wall of China. We're now walking to a cable car where we take that cable thing up. Then we can walk right next to the wall and we're coming down with a slide. When you want to come to the Great Wall, it's kind of expensive. First of all, you have to pay the taxi to here, and depending on where you're sleeping, it will be like 200, 250 Chinese money. Then the entrance of the Great Wall is a lot of money as well. Then when you want to go up with the cable car or when you want to come down with the slide entrance, then you have to pay as well. So bring enough cash if you want to do the Great Wall at the Mutianyu entrance. Because of the mist, we can't see anything of the view. Damn it! We are on Chinese Wall. All these tiny holes. So we just walked on the Chinese Wall and now we're planning on going back down with the slideway. So you can see it right there. I just see on the board that it may be closed, so let's have a look. The slideway is closed because of the rain. So we're going down by foot. Let's do this. Going to take the bus back.
I know. Can you take a package to the subway? You take a subway to the hill.
We are visiting Beijing City, like the center with all the big shops and the McDonald's and you know. So you're gonna eat the hat and everything?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Oh! Damn it. How does it taste? It's a bit stupid that they forgot to get the mouse out of the screen. Something very positive about today, it's only 25 degrees.
Yes.
The temperatures are dropping and that's really, really nice.
There.
we're globe watchers. Wow, is that cool? We have a little announcement. Me and Eve, sorry, even me, started this globe watcher thing as friends. But we fell in love, and we are now a couple traveling the world instead of friends traveling the world. So we're at the airport right now on our way back to Dubai, and then from Dubai to Brussels. I haven't made up my mind yet about China. Some people were really friendly, some people were not. The food was of course good, a lot of different flavors, but I think you always have that when you go abroad.
Watch out for the food.
What? Could be a little bit in your tummy that there are some scammers. Well, nothing really happened with scammers with us, but we saw, or we
Heard some stories.
We heard stories, and we were thinking when people said like, yeah, it's so much for the taxi, but it was way too much, then we just said no. So we saw the signs of scammers, but we didn't have anything to do with them. So, and yeah, I haven't made up my mind yet about China. Maybe read it in the blog when I have.